My name is Chloe Chua. I just turned 12 years old and I study at the Naya Academy of Fine Arts. It's very joyful and the teachers are very kind there. The teachers have a lot of experience from teaching. They teach their students very well. I'll be playing Vivaldi's Winter from the Four Seasons. It has different emotions and it has words written on it, so it will tell you about what the music's trying to say. I believe in both, but hard work brings out talents to its fullest extent. My idol is Maxim Van Gogh because he is very hardworking. In the period of a time, like when he was very young, and also now he's very famous. I wish that I can be as good as him. A successful musician means to me that they can be able to touch people's heart and also to bring positive energy to the audiences. The impact is to play beautiful music from my Heavenly Father and to make the audiences happy. I hope you enjoy my performance on the 13th of January and see you there.